continue to watch this video if you want to see and how I made these delicious crispy roast potato but so soft on the inside. Guys, please give this video a thumbs up, share it to your families, to your friends and everyone on your social media, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can receive more delicious videos like these, okay? And guys, stay tuned, not gone away, okay? Hi guys, it's Jody. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make some roast potato. Yes. So in my bowl right here I've got at least 6 medium-sized to large potato that I already washed and peeled, and I also cut it, okay? But I don't want to cut my potato too small. I think I cut it like this, guys, okay? So I just want to show you guys on how I do it. Yeah, run like so. So now I'm gonna boil them, okay? So stay tuned. So in my pot here, guys, I add at least 3 to 4 cups of hot water to my pot. So now I'm gonna add some salt, at least 1 spoon of salt. Then I'm gonna add some olive oil, at least 2 tablespoons of olive oil, okay? Then guys, I'm gonna add my potato, and I'm just gonna allow my potato to cook for at least 10 to 13 minutes. But make sure, guys, they're not overcooked because you don't want them to be so soft, okay? Yes. Just gonna give it a stir. Then I'm gonna cover it up, or just half cover it up so it doesn't boil over, okay? So stay tuned. So guys, my potato is all finished and this is what it looks like. I'm just gonna put my fork in it and show you guys how soft it is. So you see it, the fork go right through. As I said, guys, you don't want to overcook it, okay? So that's perfect. Nicely done. So I'm just gonna remove all the liquid from it and turn my stove off, okay? So stay tuned. So here I have my roasting pan, guys, and what I did, I add some vegetable oil in it, at least just over 1/4 cup. Then guys, I put it in my oven, in the hot oven, okay? Because you want your pan to heat up before you add your potato. So now, as you can see, I'm adding my potato. Just make sure, guys, it is all dry, okay? Because you want, when it's go into the oven, it is nicely fried and you have this nice golden color. That's exactly how you want it. So after I add all my potato, I'm gonna put it in my oven, guys, for at least 30 minutes, okay? Just for now. And 150 degrees Celsius, 100 to 200 degrees Celsius. But make sure you keep your eyes on it because you don't want it to burn. Yeah. You want to make sure that your potato is all spaced out in your pan, okay? So this is what my potato looks like, guys, after I remove it from the oven. Now I'm just gonna flip it over, and I'm telling you, it looking nice and golden, and that's exactly how I want it, just perfect. And if you want, guys, you can always turn it over to the side also and brown it up, yeah? Then I'm gonna put it back in my oven for at least 25 to 30 minutes. But as I said, make sure you keep your eyes on it because you don't want it to burn. But these are perfectly brown, yes, and they are so crispy, guys, super crispy. So guys, my roast potato is finally finished, and I'm telling you, they look amazing. It is nice and golden, and that's exactly how you want it. Perfect. I'm just gonna plate it up for you guys and show you how it looks on the plate, okay? Look at that. Look at that, guys. It is so crispy. They are perfectly cooked. So my roast potato is all plated up, and guys, I'm just gonna add just a pinch of salt all over my potato, okay, for taste. I'm telling you, this recipe right here is a must try. It is so nice, guys. It tastes amazing. When my husband tasted it, he said, wow, it tastes so good, and I agree. And the inside of it is so soft, but on the outside is very crispy. If you do try this recipe, guys, please comment below and tell me what it's like. Don't forget to share this video, guys. Give me a big thumbs up. Share it to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media. I will really appreciate it. And guys, if you're not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, where are we at, pan? Subscribe right now so you can receive more delicious videos like these. And don't forget, guys, to hit your notification button for whenever I upload a video, you will be the first to see it, okay? So there you have it, guys. This is how I make my roast potatoes. Super simple but yet delicious. I'm telling you, it looks so good. I'm gonna serve it with roast chicken. There's a video will be on my channel and how I make my roast chicken with some gravy on the side and broccoli, so you guys can go and check it out. I'm telling you, everything right here, guys, is absolutely delicious, so mouth watering. Honestly, it is so good. Guys, I thank you all so much for watching this video. Don't forget to share it, like, subscribe for many more videos. Until next time, bye, stay blessed. Don't forget, guys, to keep laughing, keep smiling, no matter what, because God is always on your side. Bye, guys. Much love. I'm just cutting in my chicken because I'm just being a bit extra. I want to show you guys how yummy it look. Okay, bye.